Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to simulate or how to interface a flex sensor with that of Arduino Uno. The simulator which we are using is the tinkercad.com. So now first of all we need to write tinkercad in Google. And we got our link, that is www.tinkercad.com. So click on this. And now it will lead us to the main circuit simulation window. We have to wait a little. So now we got our website. So on the right hand side, you can see this create button. Click on that and click on circuits. Okay, now you can see we got all sort of our components on the right hand side. So here we will click on Arduino Uno and we will take it like this. Then we will go for our flex sensor. And you must know that flex sensor is used to sense the bend. Sense the bend means if we used to bend this flex sensor, then its resistance used to change. And this change in resistance will be measured by Arduino Uno. So now we will go and we will take 10 kilo ohm resistor. This is just like a pull-up resistor. So this is our resistor. We need to change it to 10 kilo ohm. And we have to connect this sensor with that of 5 volt. Okay, now this is our connection. Then we will go and we will connect it like this. The other pin of the connector must be connected with the ground of Arduino Uno. Okay, like this. Okay, now we will connect this point 2, okay, with our A0 pin. Like this. Or we can, okay, we can change its course to, okay, this way, and then we will connect it with the A0 pin, that is analog 0 pin. So now, okay, now this is our circuit. And one more thing, that we need an LED, or we don't need an LED, okay? Just for a time being, we are not connecting our LED. We will just go towards our code and we can click on text. Okay, now first we will write const int flex underscore san pin is equal to A0, means that we have assigned pin A0 nm, which is flex underscore san underscore pin. Actually it is a data type, means that we have created a variable of integer data type in which we have stored A0 value, or we can just write 0, okay? If you want, we can just write 0, okay? So it will sense. Then we need to create another variable, that is int val underscore sen. Okay, and this is our variable, and this variable is used for to store all sort of values. Then we will go and we will write void setup. Then here we will write serial dot begin begin 9600, and then we will write while loop while loop, and here we will write val underscore sen is equal to analog read of flex underscore sen underscore pen. Now what this analog read function will do, it will read data. It will read data on pin number A0, because in flex underscore sen underscore pin just represent this 0 or A0. And after this has been done, the data will be stored in this variable, that is val underscore sen. Then we need to write serial dot println val underscore sen, and now we will just run it. Okay, we will just run it out. Now we will start our simulation. Oh, they said analog read. Okay, this must be like this. We have got a spelling mistake. So start simulation. Okay, they said serial dot println. Okay, and we have missed this semicolon as well. Okay, now run it out, and now we will see on serial monitor what it is written. It is written 767. Now as soon as we will bend the sensor, we got 964. As we will release, we will get 767. So upon the basis of this, we can adjust. Okay, wait, let me. Okay, so this is. So on the basis of this thing, we can adjust our values. Means that in a real-time circuit, if we want a special band like this, that if something used to bend like this up to this, then we can make a check on this value, that is 909. Okay, so here we can even write if else 909. So here we will write if val underscore sen is greater than 905, then we can write serial dot println half band. So now, okay, so here we will run our simulation. Okay, now we can see that we can change our thing, and as soon as we will have half band, and now you can see that it has shown us that our sensor has half band. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can interface or how you can use this flex sensor within the tinkercad. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.